Hello. Good afternoon. Papa is starting eating now.
Papa is not angry. Papa is not angry to anyone.
Yeah.
We had
really?
a fight yesterday,
You are
but
fighting me because you are.
Papa is not angry. Look at me. I am not angry. I'm almost smiling.
Yeah, I hope that you are not angry and you are not fighting with me, Papa, because I'm taking care of you and I love you, and I hope that you are not saying fuck you.
I hope too. I hope too.
You are. I hope you are not saying again to me fuck you.
Yeah, because sometimes you are so stubborn that there is no out.